My name is Giovanni Toto, currently the Vice President of QTK Fine Cabinetry, the research into buying Microvellum 18 years ago. So I started drawing in a software called Planet. Years go by, I was not a fan of how detail-oriented the software was, and the amount of control I had over the software. Redrawing the layout in different softwares took so much time and delayed our deliveries and installations. I was held to their library and then modifying it. And I didn't want to modify anyone's library. I wanted my cabinets built my way. Today, I don't have those issues anymore. I started researching, came to the conclusion to purchase Microvellum. And the reason for that, I was able to control where to put a drill hole, where I wanted to route. Say back then, I was actually limited with the machinery more than I was limited with the software. We have some of the state-of-the-art equipment that can drill on all 6 sides, and Microvellum is there to support that. So we are able to achieve, a hinge placement on one side of the part, and on the opposite side, we can route for an LED light strip. Being able to achieve those through the use of Microvellum, and that's basically was my deciding factor. Microvellum let me start with a clean sheet. I was able to make my own library. The cabinets built my way. With Microvellum, we were able to control all that information from the office and, become the lean machine that we are today.